Good day. Today, we're going to talk about alcohol! In chemistry, an alcohol is any organic compound in which hydroxyl functional group is bound to a carbon. Two main properties of alcohol, which is called physical property and the chemical properties. In the physical properties, we have solubility in water. Solubility in water is the alcohol that it says that alcohol is soluble in water. This is due to the hydroxyl group in the alcohol which is able to form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Alcohols with smaller hydrocarbon chain are very soluble. Another physical property of alcohol is its boiling point. Alcohol has higher boiling point than alkanes, and it is because of the intermolecular forces of alcohol. Alcohol has hydrogen bond, unlike alkanes with van der Waals forces only as in their intermolecular force. Alcohol's viscosity. As we all know, viscosity is the property of a fluid that resists the force tending to cause the fluid to flow. The viscosity of alcohols increases as the size of the molecules increases. This is because the strength of the intermolecular forces increases, holding the molecules more firmly in place.
Chemical properties of alcohol is combustion. Alcohols burns in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Alcohols burn cleanly and easily and does not produce soot. It becomes increasingly more difficult to burn alcohol as the molecules get bigger.
And another chemical property of alcohol is dehydration. Dehydration of alcohols is done by heating with concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as dehydrating agent at 180 degrees Celsius. This reaction uses alcohols to produce corresponding alkenes and water as byproduct.
Here is an important list of rules to follow. Number 1. The hydroxyl group takes precedence over alkyl groups and halogen substituents, as well as double bonds in the numbering of the parent chain. Number 2. When both double bonds and the hydroxyl groups are present, the en suffix follows the parent chain directly and the ol suffix follows the en suffix. Notice that the e is left off en instead of ene. The location of the double bond is indicated before the parent name as before. Number 3. If there is a choice in numbering not previously covered, the parent chain is numbered to give the substituents the lowest number at the first point of difference.
Let us now go to the example. The first example is this one. As we remember by the rules, the YL suffix of a carbon chain is changed into anol when it has an alcohol. First, let us count the carbon atoms in this formula. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms, which means that it should be penta. And we should add anol as the suffix because it is an alcohol. So its name should be pentanol.
Here in our second example, we can see that we have 3 carbon atoms. So we count 1, 2, and 3. And we have the OH in the second carbon atom. So we name it as 2-propanol.
In this example, we have a methyl in the second carbon, and we also have an alcohol in the second carbon. So we will name it as 2-methyl and 2.
So here in our fourth problem, we have 2 OHs. So before our suffix anol, we put a di. And here in our carbon chain, we can see that we have 6 carbon atoms. We name it as hexane And since we have two alcohols here, we name it 3,4-hexane diol.
In this example, the bromine is in the fourth carbon and the alcohol is in the first carbon. So, in naming it, it will be 4 bromo pentanol.
So here, in our sixth example, we have bromine and chlorine. We name these two as bromo and chloro. And in our third carbon atom, we also have a special branch which is called third butyl. So we name it as 2 bromo, 4 chloro, 3 third butyl pentanol.
In this example, we have a closed chain and we have a alcohol on the first and on the third we have 2 branches.
Do you know the term alcohol originally referred to the primary alcohol called ethanol, which is used as a drug and is the main alcohol present in alcoholic beverages?
Good day. Today, we're going to talk about alcohol!